Another thing what we have to prepare for our future brooch is this kind of hoop. If you will use same materials what I use, and my felt is not so thick for my brooch, so I need to prepare a base for it. That's why my hoop is covered with fabric. How to do so you will find in PDF file which is attached to this lesson. I took this information from one of my favorite books about gold work. I will leave link to this book as well if you are interested to improve your skills as well. So, and you will find, yeah, a PDF file how to cover and prepare your hoop this way if you use thin materials. But if you don't have a hoop and you don't want to spend extra money on it, you will need thicker felt, maybe something even this thick for our brooch. But I would suggest take a bit thinner felt and make it as I will do it. But you always have an option to use thicker felt and embroider on your hands. My hoop is already covered. I will need to prepare it. I will take just this kind of thin fabric. It can be any fabric you have at home, because all my embroidery will be on the felt, which I will sew on this fabric. And just insert our hoop. Then we have to make our material and our fabric like a drum, you know, it should be very, very tight. Just pull the fabric from every side, make it nice and straight. Our fabric is stretched as we need, and I will just cut away these pieces because I don't need them. It's ready.